Thank you folks for tuning in. My name is Jason. I'm the host of the CCW Guy YouTube channel. I know it's been a while since I've posted anything, but there is some really significant big news in the world of CCW, so it got me motivated to get back on here and throw up another video. I am the owner of Shoot Safe Academy. We operate out of Huntington Beach, California, where we do classes and certifications for CCW for Los Angeles, Riverside, Orange County, and San Diego County. So if you find yourself in a position where you do need to get certified and you live in one of those counties, feel free to reach out. I would love to help you get you through your application process and get you certified. If you are not aware, on Thursday, June 23rd, the U.S. Supreme Court rendered a decision where they struck down New York's overly restrictive issuance of CCWs. And they really focused their attention on New York's requirement for good cause, saying essentially that it was far too restrictive. And New York was really not issuing CCWs to regular folks. The requirement was so restrictive that people were not even applying for it, and those that were routinely denied, stating that if they were even given a reason, that their good cause did not meet the sufficient requirement. How does this play out to us? Well, that's the purpose of today's video. How does a case out of New York affect us all the way over on a different coast? Does it have an effect? It surely does. This is the Supreme Court that we are talking, so their decisions can affect the entire nation. And we are already seeing an effect here in California from this New York-based case. If you live in one of the following communities that I certify, again, LA, Riverside, Orange County, San Diego, what have these sheriffs done? Have they done anything? Let's talk about Riverside first. In Riverside, we have Sheriff Chad Bianco as the lead law enforcement officer in that county. And I'm going to read to you the sheriff's statement. Let's see here. This comes from Sheriff Bianco. Good cause statement ruled unconstitutional. The CCW process for the Riverside County Sheriff's Department will immediately comply with the recent ruling from our Supreme Court. The Constitution is and will always be our ruling document. It is very disheartening to hear our governor, lieutenant governor, president, and other politicians lament over this decision. So immediately after this case, after this decision from the Supreme Court, we can see that it had an immediate fact over here on the West Coast. We have the sheriff of Riverside County already issuing a statement saying that they are immediately going to uphold this decision. I also have some information here from the Orange County Sheriff's Department. Orange County Sheriff's Department stated the following. The Orange County Sheriff's Department is aware of the U.S. Supreme Court's decision issued this morning regarding concealed carry weapon CCW licenses. We will analyze the court's ruling and determine if adjustments need to be made to our CCW policies or procedures. If any changes are made, the information will be posted on our website at ocsheriff.gov. We remain mutually committed to public safety and the individual rights of the community we serve. So we have a couple of sheriffs there. Both are great sheriffs. They're doing a fantastic job. One of them immediately issued the statement saying that they're going to be following with the ruling. The other one is looking into it, and my opinion would be that the Sheriff of Orange County will be following suit very soon. My opinion of LA County Sheriff, will he be following suit? I believe he will. It might take a little bit of time. Now, folks, when we talk about LA just started really issuing CCWs 2 years ago. I have been on the list with them as a qualified instructor for over a decade, and I only started certifying people 2 years ago who were approved, and the floodgates have opened and people are coming through getting approved like crazy. And these are not people that have fantastic good cause statements. These are everyday folks that work regular jobs just like any of you out there that might be listening to these videos. So again, what will happen with LA? I imagine, again, this is my opinion, that the LA sheriff will follow suit as well. San Diego sheriff, I have no idea what that guy's going to be doing. He claims to issue CCWs, although when I look at the numbers of people that I certified coming out of that county, it is in very, very, very low numbers. So again, quick recap. Supreme Court has stated this case out of New York, that New York's process for issuing CCWs was too restrictive. They have struck down the good cause requirement, and it immediately had an effect over here on the West Coast, with Riverside dumping their requirement for good cause. And as I said, I believe some of the other counties near us will be following suit, or at least making it much, much easier when coming up with a good cause statement. I think that at some point it will be nothing more in your statement than I wish to be issued a CCW so that I may have the opportunity to defend myself. I believe that is where we are headed, and I believe we will be there rather quickly. Again, folks, my name is Jason. I'm the owner of Shoot Safe Academy, located in Huntington Beach, California. If I could be of any assistance, feel free, reach out. Many of you do. Many of you look me up, find my phone number. I get phone calls all the time. I take as many phone calls as my schedule will allow. If I don't answer, feel free to leave me a message. Again, thanks for tuning in. I would love it if you could leave a positive comment, tell a friend about the videos, and please do subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Again, folks, thanks for tuning in. Take care. We'll see you soon, hopefully with another video.